What's up fam, it's your boy Mohamedalsafar and we're back with another video. Now today we got an epic video for you guys where I'm gonna unbox 3 sneakers that I bought from Farfetch. Now before we get this video started, let me tell you a little bit about Farfetch. So Farfetch is one of the largest online platforms for all your shopping needs. And just to name a few brands for you guys, we're talking about Balenciaga, Burberry, Versace, Valentino, Gucci, Off-White, Moncler. They literally have everything. And if you guys are wondering, yes, they do have Supreme and all those good stuff. And another thing I think you guys should know is all the inventory you guys see on the Farfetch website is inventory that they have in hand and that's been pre-authenticated. So you don't have to wait for someone to ship something to a middleman and then gets to you like all those other websites. Whatever they have is ready to be shipped to you and pre-authenticated already, and that's definitely a plus because you're gonna get that shipping really quick. Another cool thing that you guys should know is that they do returns too. So for example, say you buy a pair of Yeezys and they're not your size, you can go ahead and send them back and get your actual size. They do allow returns, not like those other websites where you buy Yeezys from and then they're not your size and you're actually stuck with them. So these guys will allow you to do returns, which is awesome. And also I wanted to mention their vintage items. So basically, if you guys are looking for some old leather goods from Louis Vuitton, they have it pre-owned and brand new. They also have classic Hermes bags, so make sure you guys check it out. If there's something you're looking for on websites and they're sold out or they're not available, check Farfetch because most likely they do have what you're looking for. Because honestly, one of the sneakers that I'm gonna show you guys today is a sneaker I've been looking for 5 years. And once I saw it on their website, I had to get it. And on top of all of this, Farfetch has given me a code to share with you guys right here for 10% off your next purchase. So make sure you guys use that discount. So here we are on the Farfetch website. We're in the men's section right here. I want to show you guys the list of designers that you can choose from. So as you can tell already, these are the featured designers. If you had another designer that you want to check out that's not on this list right here, you can just click on view all and you'll see this list that includes literally everything in alphabetical order. So another part that I like happens to be on the women's section, which is the pre-owned section, where you'll see all the vintage Louis Vuitton stuff right here from back in the day. Let me show you just a few things before I head out and show you another thing that I really like. So right off the bat, you see this Supreme LV hoodie, which is a must cop, and all these vintage items. Now let's go ahead and search under the men section for what a lot of you are looking for. Supreme. They have everything from accessories to tees. Pretty much everything you're looking for Supreme, they have over here, and they'll ship to you directly. So whatever you see here basically is in their inventory as we speak. So if something's sold out, it's not going to be listed here. So whatever you click on, they will ship immediately, where it's not going to go through a middleman and authenticated. These are already authenticated. They're just going to be sent directly to you, and it's going to be super quick because of that. Just wanted to give you a quick brief and show you how this website works. And I think it's going to be very dangerous if I actually stay on here for long because I'll be copying a thing or two. So let's go ahead back to the video and I'll show you guys what I copped. So the first sneaker we got for you guys here are these Kobe 5 PJ Tucker Protros, which are beautiful and I had to add in my collection. Now as you can tell, it has a Stadium Goods tag right there, just because if you guys didn't know, Farfetch actually acquired Stadium Goods in 2018. Very beautiful colorway in my opinion, and can't go wrong with these 5 Protros. And the second sneaker we have here is the Jordan Union Collab. Now right off the bat, if you guys know, you know already what kind of sneaker this is. But if you guys don't, let me show you. Right here we got the Jordan 4 Union collab that only released in LA. Now what's really funny about this sneaker right here is this sneaker only released for the people that live in Los Angeles. So basically when you got to join the raffle, they looked at your ID and saw exactly where you lived, and if you lived in their proximity, you're able to join the raffle and get your chance to get a chance to get these sneakers. Now I'm out here in Dubai and I really wanted the sneakers, so my best luck was going on Farfetch and making sure I copped it right off there. And that's how I have it right here. And like I said earlier with the Kobe's, this also comes with an authentication tag to show you guys that this has been authenticated by Stadium Goods. And like I said, any sneaker that you want on Stadium Goods is available on Farfetch, and you can actually use that 10% code to use for any of those sneakers too, which is awesome. So make sure you guys take advantage of that code. Last but not least is this sneaker right here that I've been looking for the past 5 years, literally no joke, and that's why you've never seen it in my collection, is because I could never find it. And Farfetch actually had it, so I had to grab them. And of course, without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. Right here is the 2014 Supreme collaboration with Nike. These are the Supreme Foamposites that came out back then. Supreme had to cancel the release because of how crazy the line was. These ended up selling, I believe, online because they had to cancel the in-store release. But this right here is a beautiful shoe, and I'm very lucky to add this to the collection. So basically I went ahead and picked out these sneakers to show you guys, just to show you the different varieties of sneakers that they have on their website. Like if you're looking for something old, they have it. Something new that just released, they have it. If you're wondering if they had any Kobe's, they do. They literally have a huge variety of sneakers. Make sure you guys check out the Farfetch website. Trust me, they're gonna have what you guys are looking for. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you guys did, please show love, smash that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and like I said earlier, don't miss out on this 10% code right here to make sure you guys get that 10% off your next purchase. So don't miss out on that opportunity. And as this video ends, I'm gonna leave you with a 360 view of these sneakers. Enjoy. I'll see you guys soon.